Hey everyone, this is Dara from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. We're going to be talking about a ton of stuff out there, and we're going to be talking about what's going on with the Doge right now, because Doge is down like a beep beep out there. We're going to tell you why that's happening, but I'm still confident, and one key analyst out there is saying that we could be seeing the Doge going up 150% from here. And, if that happens, that could take the Doge up to 25 cents. So we're going to be talking about that and much, much more out there. So before we get started, how is the sound? Is the sound okay? Guys, give me a thumbs up and welcome everybody out there. Welcome Brian W. Welcome Candy out there. Welcome Antonio, David Ricine, Mr. Brilliant. And also, too, we got the co-host, Mr. Brilliant Alien in the house, and we've got Dino, the Dino, out there, guys. So it's a great time to be live. So hopefully the volume is good in there, guys. Give me a thumbs up if the volume is fine. So, guys, don't forget to go back and watch all of my previous videos. I would appreciate it, guys. I would absolutely appreciate it. It's a great time to be live. And guys, do become members. I would appreciate that. And remember, this is a live stream, so we might be having technical difficulties. If we have a technical difficulty, don't get upset, don't get mad. And my voice is still not so good. And it's time to get some sports drink out there. So let's jump into content without any further delay out there, guys. So let's get into it. So as you guys know, tomorrow is a holiday in the U.S., so there won't be the markets won't be open. So what we did see yesterday, we did see the U.S. markets are pretty much, we did see the NASDAQ recover a little bit. We saw the S&P recovering a little bit. We did see the Dow Jones was basically neutral out there. Remember that we do have a lot of economic data that's coming out as well, macroeconomic data. So that's going to definitely be affecting the broader markets. That's definitely going to be affecting the crypto out there, guys. So what else is coming in right now? We're also seeing that, in case you guys missed it, Australian regulators cancels Binance license at exchange's own request. So it looks like Australia's top financial regulator canceled Binance derivatives license exchange. And so if you're in Australia and you've got any leverage trading positions open on Binance, you have until April 21st to get them out of there. So that is kind of interesting as we see more regulations, more crack down for regulators for crypto out there, guys. So that's what is going on. Let's take a look at the heat map, guys. The heat map is not looking good. But interestingly, funnily enough, we are still seeing that Bitcoin is still above $28,000. So not too shabby out there, guys. Don't forget to smash the likes, share this video, share this content. It's so important that you do that. And guys, if you want to see the OG kiss the alien, you know what you got to do. Show some love, show some support out there. We're seeing also Ethereum is down. But the biggest loser out there today is Dogecoin. So we're gonna be talking about that as well, guys. Don't forget that we do have the rate in the Fed rate hikes that are going to be coming in about 3 weeks, 6 days, and 16 hours. People are still saying that we're going to have 25 basis points, so that is not too good. So let's take a look at what's going on with the markets right now. Let me give this a minute to refresh. And if you love the Doge, like I love the Doge, don't forget to smash Dogecoin 111. I almost said 911, but Dogecoin 111 out there. We are seeing that the total market cap is down 0.37%. We're seeing that the Ethereum dominance is still okay. It's over 19%. We're seeing that Bitcoin dominance is also just going sideways. So we are seeing right now for Bitcoin, we are seeing that Bitcoin right now is just ranging sideways, which is good. I mean, quite frankly speaking, Bitcoin is boring right now, and that's a good place to be. Boring is good because it means less volatility. And that is good for all of us out there. So sure, we may see some short-term volatility. We may see some short-term choppity chop. But overall, the trend is looking very positive for Bitcoin, looking very positive for cryptocurrency out there in general, everybody. And, the big takeaway here is if you take a look at the EMA ribbons, we are still well above the EMA ribbons right now. And, we are absolutely trending in the right direction. If you take a look at this, we're trending up, guys. We have a point of convergence that we're reaching to pretty soon, and that should take us back above the 28,700. So from my perspective, if I look at Bitcoin, I'm happy. I'm satisfied. Candy, welcome, new channel supporter. I appreciate that, Candy. Thank you very much. Much love, sis. Out there. It's been a while. It's been a while. I do appreciate it though. It's been a while. Time to lubricate the throat. But overall, Bitcoin is looking pretty good, and crypto is looking pretty good as well. Guys, don't forget, in case you guys missed it, in terms of fear and greed out there, we are seeing that the fear and greed for Bitcoin right now is up. Surprisingly, it's up. So that is pretty good. The sentiment is positive out there. So Ethereum, remember, don't sleep on Ethereum. Don't forget, we got the Shanghai update that's coming as well. That's one of the reasons why we're still seeing that Bitcoin, Ethereum on the 7-day basis is still up. So that's good news, guys. That's absolutely good news out there. We're seeing Latrang, thank you for the super chat, guys. Looks like I got a kiss to Alien. Mr. Brilliant, your alien is here. Not feeling much love out there, Mr. Brilliant, Alien out there, Mr. Brilliant. Super chats, I appreciate it. Show some love. And Darren, welcome to this live stream. So like I was saying, we are seeing that Ethereum is looking pretty good. The last 7 days is still up, so not too shabby out there. We're seeing XRP is also neutral. Cardano is down. We're seeing that Doge is getting hammer time. We're going to be talking about that. What is the major catalyst behind the reason why Dogecoin is getting hammered right now? We're going to be talking about that. Also, it looks like Shiba Inu is also not doing as well as well. So, but overall, guys, on the weekly for Dogecoin, we're still up, guys. We're still up 14.39%. So not too bad, not too bad. We're still above Polymatic in terms of market cap. So I'm not too worried about it. I'm not too depressed about it out there. Guys, remember, MicroStrategy, bought more Bitcoin, so they definitely know something. And also, too, I'm going to be showing you that there's a prediction out there that shows that Bitcoin could be going up over $380,000. And this is a new model that's coming out. A lot of people are like, yeah, this is possible. So we're going to be talking about that as well. So let's take a look at what's going on with DXY right now. Candy Fudge, thank you pretty much. I appreciate it. Much love to you. I guess I got to kiss the alien for Candy. Mwah. The alien got kissed out there. I appreciate it. So we are seeing right now that the DXY has actually come up a little bit. We had this whole descending range out there, and we're seeing that the DXY has flipped up above that. But I think this is going to be short-lived. Chris DeMarco in the house. Welcome, brother. I just saw you pop in the chat, JD. I love it. JD says, I got hacked, I believe, on my Nano Ledger X. I don't think that's possible, JD. You may want to take a look at that. Out there, and if you do think you got hacked, where did you buy it from? Did you buy from the legitimate sources? If you're buying on Amazon, it's not good, JD. So watch out there. Watch out there. Watch out. So it looks like DXY is broken above the descending line. That is not good. But overall, you're seeing that the DXY, the trend, the Wendy trendy is your friendly when it comes to DXY. And we need DXY to go down, and it is going down. So that is good. We are seeing that also, we have the BRICS consortium. We're seeing that China is now pushing the renminbi to be the next reserve currency of the world and trying to knock out the US dollar out there. So if that happens, we could see that the price of the buying power of the US dollar could be going down, down. So, what have I done just as to kind of protect my assets? I've actually moved most of my US dollars to either Thai baht, Indonesian rupiah, or Bitcoin out there. So I'm not holding any dollars right now. I dumped all my dollars. Just better to be safe and sorry, because if the US dollar does not continue to be the reserve currency of the world, what's happened is all these nation states that have a lot of US dollar in their reserves, they're going to send them flooding back to the US, and that could cause US dollar to tank in terms of buying power. Okay, that's what I'm saying. So just be careful. I mean, if you're working overseas, and you're getting paid in dollars, you may want to consider changing that up and accepting the local currency out there. That's what I'm thinking, not financial advice. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Don't forget to smash the freaking likes out there, guys. So that is important. That is an important update. SPX is up slightly from yesterday, so that is pretty good. Like I said, don't sleep on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking okay, guys. Looking okay. Boring, yeah, but we're still above 28,000, so not too shabby out there. Also, interesting note, Bitcoin failed to break the highs at 29,000 K. We all know that. Losing momentum as we are reaching at these levels. If you lose yesterday's lows at 27.8, the price will likely move down to 27.2. So what this is saying is it's very important that Bitcoin stays above 27.8. If we can't stay above that, then we could be going down to 27.2. I'm pretty confident that we're going to be stuck in this range for some time unless we have some kind of black swan event out there, and I don't think it's coming, guys. And if you take a look at the Bitcoin holders, Dogecoin 111, guys, don't forget Dogecoin 111. Show some love out there, guys. Show some love out there. We are seeing right now that 70% of all the Bitcoin holders are in the money, guys. Are you in the money, guys? Remember, diversification is key. You need to diversify, not financial advice. From my perspective, I have 50% Bitcoin, 25% Ethereum, and the balance of the 25% is in mid to big caps, guys. And I don't go any lower than Pancake Swap on the market cap charts, guys. That's what I'm saying. Ethereum right now, Ethereum is looking good. If we take a look at the overall trend for Ethereum from here, the trend is looking pretty good. We had a nice bearish, a bullish reversal above the EMA lines here. I mean, here we went up, we went into the EMA lines, we went up, got rejected, went way back down. Now we are consistently above the EMA ribbon, so that is pretty bullish. And if you look at the trajectory of Ethereum, Ethereum is looking actually healthier than Bitcoin. Don't forget, we got the Shanghai update coming on, guys. Guys, if you love this channel like I love you guys, smash the like, share, not feeling the love, and don't forget to show some support with Super Chats, guys. I would appreciate it. What's going on? Dino would appreciate it. Alien would definitely appreciate it, and the OG would appreciate it, guys. So show some love, show some support. I'm working for you out there. It looks like, one of the other things that's coming, looks like jobless claims are far higher than thought. Revisions show ahead of March jobs report. So it looks like the job data is going to be coming in. It looks like job openings fall below 10 million for the first time in nearly 2 years. So that is not good. And we're seeing now that negative macroeconomic data is actually pushing the broader markets down. Previously, when we had bad data, it pushed the markets up, because what that meant was they thought that if they had bad economic reports coming out, then a Powell would be less likely out there to increase the rate hikes too much. So what's happening now, that it's become obvious that it's actually bad. Okay, so this is not a good look. We're seeing more and more people unemployment out there. So that is not good, guys. That is not good out there. And we're seeing that a lot of unemployment is happening, in the mountain areas, west, south, central, south. They lost like 83K jobs. West, south, 161K jobs. We're seeing the mountain area 47K, and the South Atlantic, Florida area lost about 103K. Thank you, David Ricine, for the super chat. Looks like OG's got a kiss to alien. Kissing alien, guys out there. Great time to be live. What else is coming in as well? Here's how Friday's U.S. jobs report could impact the Bitcoin price. So we could see that, on Friday, when that report comes out, we could see the broader markets tank, the broader markets could dump, and if that happened, that could take the Bitcoin price down, and also Dogecoin as well. Shane Smith, much love to you, brother. Thank you for the super chat. Looks like I got a kiss. The alien got kissed out there. And remember that right now there is a very high correlation between the NASDAQ and Bitcoin right now. Previously, the correlation was 0.80. Now the correlation has jumped up to 0.90. So we're seeing that there's a big correlation now between Bitcoin and the NASDAQ. So any negative movement right now in the NASDAQ is going to definitely be causing Bitcoin to have an effect. And if Bitcoin gets affected, then Dogecoin is going to get affected. Ethereum will get affected. So guys, just wake up right now, unless we also have some kind of cool catalyst for Dogecoin. And I don't see that happening in the near term, guys. So that is what that's all about, guys. What else is happening? It looks like U.S. Treasury warns DeFi poses a threat to national security. This is kind of a FUD piece. Basically, we've got the CBDC that's coming out end of summer, early fall. So this is also part of the, let's create some FUD. Let's scare people out of crypto. And basically, a lot of people, they just want to, the Fed wants to kind of eliminate crypto out there. So that's what's going on with that one. What else is coming in, guys? big dates to watch in April. April 7th, got U.S. non-farm payrolls. I think it's going to be bad, guys. I think we're going to see something, more people unemployed. 12th April, got Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, so that is big, guys. That is big. We got 12th April FOMC meetings. Definitely going to see about 25 basis point rate hike. If that happens, we're definitely going to be seeing that more people are going to be unemployed. We're going to see more banks collapsing, and it's not going to be good. We also got CPI data coming out on April 12th. We also got the PPI data, and on April 27th, we got GDP report. So I believe that the CPI data is going to come in hot, and I think that we're going to see that inflation is going up, and a lot of that is coming from OPEC because of the oil restrictions that they're putting on output to drive up price. So that's what's going on, guys. Smash the freaking likes, guys. It's much love out there. Smash the likes. Show some love, guys. And guys, remember one thing: if you guys, I need your support, need your help. It is so important that you comment. You've got to keep commenting. I comment OG. I love Dogecoin. We need to comment. That's one thing. Smash the likes. All of these things will help push out the video, guys, and we need to get more reach, guys. So that's insane, guys. I need your support. And David Ricine, much love to you. Chris DeMarco, Shane, my mods, I want to say thank you very much. And guys and gals, don't forget to smash the freaking likes, lick the likes, boom the likes, guys. Candy, thank you very much. Candy, I appreciate it. It looks like Candy wants me to kiss you. I'll make her kiss the alien again. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I'm kissing the alien, guys. If anyone wants to see the OG kiss the alien, you know what you got to do. So it looks like Singapore is working with banks right now to provide guidance on crypto business. So it looks like, Singapore is being more crypto friendly. They want to roll out a guidance plan for the citizens out there. And, the banks are also going to be allowing onboarding and offboarding of cryptos. So that is pretty cool. So Singapore has always been bullishly friendly for crypto. So I love it. You love it. What else is coming in, guys? Did you guys know that new research shows that crypto traders and investors are unlikely to report their holdings to tax authorities with a global tax payment rate ranging from 0.3 to 0.4. Finland had the highest rate, just over 4%, while Australia ranked second, guys. So, guys, do not forget, do not sleep on it. If you guys do have to report your taxes out there, so don't forget that out there. So, looks like Finland is at the top, and we have Philippines at 0.3 and Indonesia at 0.4, guys. So that is pretty good. Let's see if Thailand is on here. Thailand. So Thailand, no. So that's one of the reasons why I got most of my crypto in Thailand, guys, because there's no tax out there. And also Vietnam, there's no tax out there as well. So that is pretty good. That is pretty good. So guys, remember, do not forget to sleep on your taxes. Do not sleep on your taxes. Get them filed. Guys, did you know this interesting factoid that Q1 2023 ROI Bitcoin versus major indexes? We're seeing that Bitcoin's ROI outperforms major indexes with an average by 170%, guys. So we're seeing that, guys, do not sleep on Bitcoin. We're seeing that Bitcoin is outperforming all of the major indices. It's outperformed the NASDAQ. It's outperformed the S&P. It's outperformed U.S. small caps. It's outperformed the FTSE 100. It's outperformed the Dow Jones, guys. So, zoom out. Wendy Trinity is your friend. And do not sleep. Do absolutely not sleep on Bitcoin, guys. You will regret it out there. So, guys, let's take a look at this. There's a new Bitcoin price model that predicts a fair price of at least $379,000, guys. So this model is very interesting, and this is very bullish. And one of the reasons they're citing for this is that they're saying, look, central banks flooded with excess currency have fundamentally broken the value of money, lending investors to seek protection against the negative effects of money printing. This phenomenon has resulted in the financialization of economic and huge monetary premiums. So because of all of the excessive printing of money, we're going to be seeing that Bitcoin is going to rise, and we're predicting that we could be seeing by 2025 $379,000 Bitcoin coming in. $1 Dogecoin is inevitable. It's an absolutely inevitable, guys. So we're seeing that, if you take a look at the money premium, it's 60% estimated probability of capture, and this puts the price of Bitcoin at $87,000. And if we take that into account, the stocks, the bonds, the gold, silver, and real estate, this puts Bitcoin at $379,000, guys. So interesting factoid out there. What else is coming in? Guys, take a look at this. Take an absolute look at this, guys. We're seeing this happen right now. We're seeing this happen right now. That Bitcoin, right now, the percentage of Bitcoin that has been mined, 92% of all Bitcoin has been mined. And once it's gone, it's gone. And remember, the population of mankind is increasing. The number of billionaires is increasing. But the amount of Bitcoin that's being created is going down, down. And what that means out there is that more and more people are going to demand Bitcoin. And that could push Bitcoin up over $1 million, guys. So many people believe that Bitcoin must undergo a stronger correction because it has risen sharply in recent weeks. I don't believe that. I absolutely don't believe that. But trading doesn't work with gut feelings or hope. I use facts. One of them, Bitcoin is about to close for the first time above the 2-week candle, above the EMA ribbon, and that is bullish, guys. That is bullish. The last time we saw this in 2015, 2019, 2023. Guys, do not sleep on Bitcoin. Do not sleep on crypto. Guys, a great time to be alive. This is not financial advice. Looks like Bitcoin is just getting started. The third issue of our weekly newsletter. And you guys can see that Bitcoin is just getting started, guys. We have, if you look at the Williams range, we've just broken above the Williams range. And every time we break above the Williams range, we often have a nice catalyst, a nice pop to the upside. So this is pretty cool beans out there, guys. Cool beans out there. Do not sleep on Bitcoin, guys. So that is cool, guys. And remember, guys, who let the Doge out? Who let the Doge out? What's been going on this week, guys? We've seen that macroeconomic outlook, the U.S. dollar may be under pressure, but Bitcoin and altcoins are gaining new public attention. That is every passing day. More and more people, Frank Sabala, thank you, brother. More and more people out there are absolutely looking to pick up crypto, absolutely looking more and more at crypto. We're seeing the Bitcoin update. Bitcoin is glued at 28,000 resistance. Where does journey go from here? I think we could be going down a little bit. We could retest, around about 27.5, 26.9, and then we're going to bounce up, guys. Trading lessons, time frames on how to use them. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out, understand the different time frames is essential for successful trading. We'll break it down in an easy step-by-step guide, guys. So we're going to be talking about that. Remember, short-term volatility is normal, but long-term, we're going to be looking good, guys. So that is pretty good news out there. What else is coming in? We're seeing a Bitcoin on the verge of something big. So we've seen these patterns before, guys, and every time we see this, we saw this back in 2019, 2016, and now we're on the verge of something big is going to be happening for Bitcoin. According to SMI, FMI, Bitcoin has plenty of room to go to beast mode. And if we get going to beast mode, that could easily take Bitcoin over $100,000, guys. So it's a great time to be alive. And guys, who let the freaking Doge out? And guys, some of the bad news that's coming out for Dogecoin right now is that it's still trending, but only 36.6 thousand tweets out there. And guys, the baddest news ever is that Elon Musk somehow decided to change the Dogecoin logo and replace it with Twitter. This is bad, guys, and that is one of the reasons why we're seeing Dogecoin going down right now. So Dogecoin has done a big tank. So we can see here, Dogecoin went all the way up to here, went up around about 32% when the Dogecoin Bluebird was changed to Doge logo. And now, since that reversal has come in, we're seeing that now from the top to the bottom, right here, we're seeing right now that Dogecoin has dropped 18%. So, I know a lot of you are panicking out there and wondering what the heck is going on. What is going on right now with Doge? Is Doge going to go all the way back down? I believe that the worst case scenario for Dogecoin is it's going to be supported by the EMA ribbons. And that means the worst case scenario is that we could be going down to 815. Now, don't get depressed. Don't get dismayed out there. 0.815 is worst case scenario, and let me tell you why. But there's still some good news, guys. Still some good news out there. And that good news is that somebody's saying that 150% is coming in. Now, I thought this was funny. Bitcoin is going to crash to 10,000. Don't worry, over the next 12 months, the same Bitcoin bear accounts will be drawing the same lines and saying the same exact thing. They say this time and time again. 10K ain't coming in, guys. Absolutely not coming in. Guys, it's something, another interesting factoid. There are more than 56 million millionaires in the world and only 1 million people with more than one Bitcoin. Do the math, guys. Do the freaking math. So if we have more millionaires suddenly ape in to Bitcoin, or we have billionaires ape in to Bitcoin, we're going to see that the number of addresses holding more than one Bitcoin, it's only 1 million people. And remember, the amount of Bitcoin that is available is going down, down, guys. So don't sleep on Bitcoin. Don't sleep on Dogecoin. Don't sleep. So top trader dumbfounded by Dogecoin overwhelming rally. As you guys saw, Dogecoin went nuts with the Elon Musk tweet. The Elon Musk Twitter blue has now been replaced back again with the Bluebird. The Doge is gone. And as a reaction, we have seen, Dogecoin tank, guys. It's going to recover. Like I said, worst case scenario for Dogecoin is 0.819. Okay? Do not panic out there. But Dogecoin dropped shops after Twitter blue returns. Debbie Downer. I mean, quite frankly, I was kind of surprised by that. I was not expecting that. I was not expecting it to be so short-lived. And also, I did not see any tweets from Elon Musk telegraphing that he was going to do it. It's just like it was there and it wasn't there. It was there and it wasn't there. So that was kind of really disappointing. That was really upsetting to me out there that this is happening. And but remember, ladies and gentlemen, that on the 4th of the 20th of the 4th, out there, something big is going to be happening. And that is April 20th is often kind of a weird and mystical and magical date for Elon Musk. And I believe that something big, something huge, a huge catalyst is going to be coming for Dogecoin. And I believe that Dogecoin will recover itself back up to 10 cents and pump, guys. I believe it. So here it is, guys. Dogecoin will explode by over 150%, according to this popular crypto analyst. So this guy, Calio, he's saying that we could be seeing that Dogecoin is going to rise to 25 cents and then dump back down to 13.5. Now remember, I believe that this is going to happen on the 20th of April, where there's going to be something that comes out. A huge catalyst is going to come out. Dogecoin is going to go nuts. It's going to go up to 25 cents, and then it will retrace just above 13.5, and then close at the end of the month. At 15 cents. So that is what I'm thinking. And according to the widely followed analyst, trader, Elon Musk could be the catalyst that drives Dogecoin rally as April 20th, 4 of 20, a number and date that the world's second richest person has regularly made a meme theme out of approaches. So get ready, expect something huge to happen on the 4th of 20. And I believe that that is going to culminate with Dogecoin hitting 25 cents. And that will take Doge up 150%, then retrace, guys. Then we'll have a retracement. So get ready to 04/20 or April 20th. Something huge is going to happen to the Doge, guys. Get ready. And get ready. It should top out at 25 cents. And then we're going to have a heavy, hard retracement back down to 13 cents, guys. So buckle up for that one. Buckle up. It's going to be something very similar to what we're seeing right now. A huge pump, like a massive 21% pump, and then we're going to have a huge dump. That is what's going to happen. And then we're going to see that Dogecoin will settle around about this area. Okay? That's what I'm thinking, guys. That's what I'm thinking. So get ready. Buckle up, guys. What is going on in terms of Dogecoin tokenomics, Dogecoin news right now? Guys, smash your freaking likes out there. I'm not feeling love from the community. I'm not feeling love out there. We're seeing that Dogecoin is down down 7%, and that's 0.8514. We're seeing that the volume is still 1.3 billion, not too shabby. We're seeing the market cap at 11.83. Dogecoin news, we're talking about Dogecoin dips 6.5%, and Twitter logo returns. Debbie Downer. I was not happy about that. I was not happy about that. Who's in the money for the Dogecoin? Who's out of the money? Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Dogecoin 111. Dogecoin, smash the likes out there, guys. We're seeing that Dogecoin 55% are in the money and 39% are out right now. If you take a look at social sentiment for Dogecoin on the weekly, we're still up 212%. Social engagements 990%, not too bad. But on the daily right now, we're seeing that social mentions are picking up. So that is good. The social mentions are picking up. The social dominance is climbing. And that should indicate that Dogecoin, the price should making a move. Guys, so if you guys want the Dogecoin price to make a freaking move, smash the likes. Smash the likes. Share this video. And don't forget to give love with Super Chats, guys. I'm feeling love today from all of you out there. And guys, don't forget to get a hardware wallet. Remember, get a hardware wallet. If you don't own the keys, you don't own the crypto, the link is down there. And remember, when you buy a hardware wallet, go to the official Ledger site. There's been some Ledger wallets that are being sold on Amazon that have been tampered with. So watch out for that, guys. Absolutely watch out for that. And guys, don't forget to be part of the freaking conversation. Join our conversation out there. And guys, remember, Bitcoin is Apple's favorite crypto out there. Remember, I did talk about that, there is a secret Easter egg in all Apple computers, and that is the Bitcoin white paper, and it's hidden. It's hidden out there. Go back and watch my previous video right here if you want to know how to find it. So we talked about that in this video if you want to know how to find it. So that's going to bring this part of the video to an end. So now it's time to ask me anything, guys. Now it's time to ask the OG a question. So let's jump into it. Let's absolutely get into it. What is going on out there? So we've got winner chicken dinner. I've been saying Doge to the moon more than anyone. It's been painful to say the least false hope after false hope. I haven't sold, but it hurts, and it hurts bad. Yeah, I feel you, brother. Winner chicken dinner. I feel you. I absolutely feel you as well. We were really hoping that Dogecoin would be making some moves, and but we'll get there. We'll get there. It's a matter of time. If we see that the Bitcoin rises, we will see that Dogecoin is going to pump, guys. Julian Wilton, what do you think about mobile wallets? Exodus has a good software wallet. I think it's pretty good. If you have your keys, you Trust Wallet as well out there, you can control your keys. There's a number of wallets out there that you can have your seed phrase and keys. So remember, if you get a mobile wallet, make sure that you have the seed phrase. So Trust Wallet has, Exodus does, just to name a few out there. Yoo-hoo, will Doge go to 79 cents this year? No way, Jose. It's not going there. I believe in 2025, we could get to all-time highs again. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking out there. Lawrence, first it was, I see something happening with Doge on 20th. Now it's, I don't see anything happening in the near term for Doge. Nobody knows nothing. Well, Lawrence, yeah, I mean, crypto's like that. With Doge, there's a lot of unknownness out there. There's a lot of variables out there that can affect the price of Doge. Look at the Twitter. When we removed the blue bird from Twitter and replaced it with Doge went up like 37%, and it's been taken away and it's gone down. So, but overall, we're doing much better in 2023 than we are in 2022. You can just take a look here. Take a look at the quarterlies. We're still up. Bitcoin is still up. Dogecoin is still up. So do not panic. Do not worry. Do not be vitriolic. Keep the faith. I mean, look over the last 7 days. Dogecoin is up 14%. So not too shabby out there. Smash the freaking likes, guys. I appreciate Dave Ricine, Francisco. Can you please say down? Down, DD, down. There we go. We got down, DD, down. For Franco out there. Much love, brother. This is from Eduardo. You can't lose until you sell. I was down 40K in Doge, then up 12K, then down 30K. I'm holding strong. Exactly. Remember, it's so important out there that you guys have to learn to have diamond hands. Don't trade with emotion. Don't be emotional out there. And remember, diversification is key. Make sure you pay yourself. Take your profits. When I'm up 200%, I take my profits. When I'm up 400%, I take my profits. I take 50% out each time. That's what I do, guys. That's what I do out there. Is Doge going to go back down to you who asked, is Doge going to go down back to the 7 cents? I don't think so. I absolutely don't think so. Worst case scenario is Doge will go down to 0.075 out there. 0.075. That's worst case scenario. But I'm not seeing it. I personally am not seeing it. I think that Doge will stay above the EMA ribbons, which I think is bullish. And I think that, in the short term, max pain is 0.818 out there. That's what I'm thinking out there. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Don't get me wrong. I'm still holding because I believe in holding long term. It's beautiful, brother. It's beautiful. It's beautiful out there, guys. Smash the likes. Show some love out there, guys. If there's no more questions out there, I'm going to end the stream, guys. I will end the stream. Any more questions out there? David, Shane, Jane L., welcome, welcome. Jane is asking, why did they remove it? Because it has been being sued. I don't know why. I've tried to, Jane, I've tried to find some info why they removed it. Don't know. Don't know. It's just gone. It's just gone. Don't know what happened. Just disappeared. Just disappeared out there. Elon tweeted, the Starship is ready to launch. Wow, that's pretty good. So it looks like Elon just tweeted the Starship ready to launch. Maybe this is Dogecoin to the moon, guys. This could be the Dogecoin to the moon, and that is why he removed the Dogecoin logo on Twitter, because the next catalyst is 420 Doge X to the moon. Could that be the catalyst? Could that be the catalyst that we could be seeing on 420 Doge X at launch time, guys? That is much, 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 much happening out there. That could happen, guys. So I'm going to bring this video to that. Also, we got an eclipse on. Do we have an eclipse? Daniel is saying we have an eclipse on 420. Possibly. Maybe we get the eclipse. We get the Doge X moon launch. Maybe. That's what's happening out there. So I'm going to bring this video to a close, guys. I want to say much love to everybody out there. Much freaking love out there. Be blessed.